Morning, students. Today we are going to continue with the lesson of staffing, as we have already done recruitment and internal and external sources of recruitment, which is been completed. So we are going to start with the selection. So in the selection, what is the meaning of selection? So selection is discovering the most promising and most suitable candidate to fill up the vacant job position in the organization. So you can see the three definitions are being given for selection. Selection is a managerial decision making process as to predict which job applicant will be successful if hired. Okay, so you have to just keep in mind discovering the most promising and most suitable candidate to fill up the vacant position. Now in selection we are going to move on with different processes. So in selection, the first step involved in selection is preliminary screening. So in preliminary screening, it is done to eliminate the unqualified and misfit candidate based on the information supplied in the application form. So whatever application form is being received for the job, the unfit, or you can say unqualified candidates are being eliminated in the first process, that is preliminary screening. Then comes the selection test. In selection test, the various tests are being conducted. The first is intelligence test, that is IQ test. Okay, so this is a kind of psychological test to measure the level of intelligence of an individual. After the intelligence test, the next comes the aptitude test. In the aptitude test, this is conducted to find out the potential of learning new jobs in the candidate. Okay, so after the aptitude test, next come the personality test. Personality test, personality test, and personality test provide clues to a person emotions, reactions, and also the interest of the candidate. Okay, and after the personality test, trade test. When we say test trade test is being carried out in order to find out the level of knowledge and proficiency, means how much proficient is that person, how much skill does he possess in that particular field. For that, trade test, or you can also call it as skill test. The last one is the interest test. So this test is conducted to find out the type of job in which the candidate has more interest. All of has some or the other fascination. Okay, so here the interest level is being find out, and for that interest tests are being conducted to know the pattern of interest. Okay, so these are the various tests being conducted in selection test. This is the second process. Okay, this is the second step of selection. After the selection test, the third is employment interview. Now in employment interview, the candidate who qualifies all the tests are being called for interviews, and to conduct such final interview, a panel of experts is being called, and these experts are specialized in their field, and these experts ask the questions to the candidate, okay, in order to test the professional or specialized knowledge of that particular candidate. Okay, students, so we have completed the first step, that is preliminary screening. Second हुआ सिलेक्शन टेस्ट. सिलेक्शन टेस्ट में 5 टेस्ट आर बीन कंडक्टेड जो हमने किए. इंटेलिजेंस टेस्ट. Okay, now after the employment interview is being conducted, if the candidate clears that interview, the fourth process, that is checking references and background. So here in the application form, whatever references is being supplied by the candidate, you must have seen that in the biodata also, in the last the references are being given, isn't it? So if the candidate qualifies the interview, then the references are to be checked about the personal character of that candidate. This is done after the interview. Okay, checking references. Then comes selection decision. In the selection decision, the candidate who clears the test, clears the interview, the references are being checked, they are being included in the selection list, and most suitable candidate from this list is being selected. That is what we call as selection decision. After the selection decision, the next step is medical examination. Okay, so before giving the appointment letter to the selected candidate, that candidate is being sent for medical fitness test. Even some of the organization appoint their own doctors to do the test. Okay, so medical examination conduct होता है. मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन के बाद जॉब ऑफर. ओके, सेवेंथ स्टेप. तो यहाँ पे द एप्लीकेंट जो मेडिकल टेस्ट क्लियर कर लेता है और सारे टेस्ट क्लियर करता है, दे आर बीन गिवन जॉब ऑफर लेटर. Okay, they are given the letter of appointment. So in this letter of appointment, date of joining, terms and conditions are being given. The last step is contract of employment. When the candidate accept the job offer, then signing of contract employment is done. So here, while signing the contract, the candidate also have to submit certain documents. And what is being given in the contract of employment, that is what is going to the pay, what is going to the allowance, hours of work, rules, and other disciplinary rules of the organization, probation period. These things are being mentioned in the contract of employment. Okay students, now we will have a quick review regarding सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस. द फर्स्ट इज़ प्रिलिमिनरी स्क्रीनिंग, जिसमें क्या होता है, जो एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म आया है, जो भी अनक्वालिफाइड है उसको कैंसिल कर देते हैं. फिर सिलेक्शन टेस्ट होता है. सिलेक्शन टेस्ट में 1 2 3 4 5, दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट इज़ इंटेलिजेंस टेस्ट एंड इट्स एंड विद द इंटरेस्ट टेस्ट. आफ्टर कंडक्टिंग द टेस्ट फिर इंटरव्यू होता है. ओके, एंड इंटरव्यू इज़ कंडक्टेड बाय द पैनल ऑफ एक्सपर्ट्स. आफ्टर द एम्प्लॉयमेंट इंटरव्यू रेफरेंसेस चेक होते हैं. इफ़ एवरीथिंग इज़ फिट एंड फाइन, then the selection decision is taken. The most suitable candidate from the list is being selected. Then that candidate is being sent for medical examination, जो इसका 6th process है. उसके बाद job offer और contract of employment. So that's all today. We have completed the selection process, the definition, and what are the process being involved. The next time I will carry on with training and development. So that's all for today. I will send you some questions to PDF after completing the chapter, and you have to complete the same in your BST notebook. Thank you.